Hello YouTube, this is me RTX94 again. It's been a long time now since I made an unboxing video and a general upgrade on my main PC and PC videos in general actually. And today I'm gonna unbox my new GPU for my main rig, a brand new RTX 2070. Yeah, I know that the supercards has been released now, but thanks for that, they reduced the price heavily on the 2070 and the 2060 in Sweden anyway. So I got a very good deal. So I grabbed it. So yeah, we're gonna unbox it and see what's inside. Besides the cards, I don't have a knife, so a screwdriver will do. Maybe I don't even need a screwdriver. So we're just gonna open it. I'm gonna show you the box first maybe. Got the GeForce RTX 2070. Gigabyte is the same like my old 970s. So I like Gigabyte and they have proven to be very reliable. I'm gonna stick to them. So yeah, they got the Windforce cooler, 8 gigs of VRAM. Got the ray tracing and the GDDR6, DirectX 12, and the RGB for the Windforce logo on the top of the card. We got the numbers, some different languages here. On the back, we got the cooler itself. Two fans spins clockwise and the middle fan spins anti-clockwise to reduce turbulence and airflow and heat dissipation. We got the RGB which is standard today. We got the back plate. So yeah, that's pretty standard. So now let's open the card. I'm gonna box within a box. This is standard. We got the Gigabyte branding. It's like a shoebox type. I'm gonna open that to reveal another box. I think there's accessories here. It's very light. I'm gonna Inside we have, wow, nothing besides the quick guide and the driver CD. Just download the newest on NVIDIA website. And here we have the card. I'm just gonna check if, no, that was everything. All right. You have the card here in an anti-static bag. I'm gonna ground myself. I'm gonna take out the card. And here is the RTX 2070. I'm gonna stand up here. So you got the 3 fans. So this one lights up, so it's RGB, you can customize it. 8-pin, 6-pin, standard. You got the gorgeous backplate actually, very yeah, I don't know what it's called in English, but so yeah, that's pretty much it. You got 3 display ports, 1 HDMI and USB Type-C for VR. So yeah, that pretty much covers it. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you soon. Bye.